Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling only essential materials and making precise first cuts. This is the only way to get accurate proportions. Use a 1/6 scale print or sketch and transfer outlines to corrugated cardboard. Once drawn, score and then cut panels for floor, sides, roof, hood. Leave a 0.5 cm seam allowance for glue. Make short test fits. This confirms alignment. You want clean edges and matching reference marks, because these first pieces lock in the challengers. Once the main panels are cut, you begin forming the body by assembling the floor and side panels with hot glue. Do small beads and clamp with masking tape until set. Reinforce internal seams with glued strips for strength and true lines, and build curved wheel arches by laminating thin strips. Trim and sand edges for a smooth transition. Make sure to test fit the hood and roof. Slight trimming now prevents gaps later. Continue refining surface planes so that paint will read like real metal. You finish by adding trim, lights, and aerodynamic details cut from scrap cardboard or thin foam. These small parts communicate the Challenger silhouette. Prime surfaces using gesso or a PVA plus paint mixed to seal fibers, then apply 2 light spray coats of paint. Allow drying between coats. Finally, attach wheels and clear coat for durability. If panels warp or gaps appear, steam the area lightly, clamp flat overnight, and add internal ribs to reinforce. This troubleshooting step restores alignment without rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.